Welcome guys, today to a new video. Today I show you the almost finished rebuild of the baboon and show you what I have figured out. I know the last video is a long time ago, or not a really long time, but it took a little bit long, so I want to show you the status. As you see, I was riding with it. Maybe you have seen it on Instagram. I was also posting some pictures where I rode with the bike. So let's show you what I have figured out and how the bike looks at the moment. Start from the back as usual. The problem I had is it was staying for a very long time, and so the final drive after 150 kilometers I drove with the bike during a test drive just to see is the engine performing, the gearbox, everything else. I have discovered a leakage here. So the seal was somehow broken or just faulty over the age, and I needed to order a new one. This was 2 days ago, where I wanted to do a video, and now I do the video. So I mounted a new seal, a new cape here, security cape, and till now it's not leaking. There is also no play in the wheel, so usually when this seal breaks, it's most of the time because the bearings are damaged, but this is not the case because I have checked it again when I discovered the leakage. Then the next thing is, of course, the suspension. The suspension started also to leak during my transportation in my car. So the seals need to be replaced. This is something I know it, and this is something nothing new. So yeah, this needs to be done to such an old bike as this is, and this needs to be done in every bike when you buy it, and it was staying for a long time. So yeah, that's the case, but this is not a problem. I didn't have the time to do the seals on the forks and also on the rear spring, but on other cases I don't have any problems till now. The only thing I have is this fuel how to say cap. When you put on the key, sometimes this one fails. You pull it out with the key. I'm not sure why it is. Maybe you have seen this or discovered this problem. Maybe you can say to me how could I fix it. I didn't really read in the forums or anything how or what I should do. I'm doing now the registration for this bike so that it is road legal, because if you have seen, I'm riding without license plates, but mostly on my own land. So I have, for example, this beautiful forest where I drive, and I will show you some videos also in this forest. And yeah, about the bike, you see I have finished it in real, like I put everything together. The main parts are done. Now it's only the suspension missing and some hand guards, mirrors, and that's it. I have installed, as you see, white body panels here and on the back. On the middle is a black one because this is the only one that is available from BMW at the moment. So I will paint it maybe in white soon, or yeah, in some months, let's say. Let's see. So that this shape stays as it is. Why I want to have this bike in white? It's because I wanted to keep the character of the old owner. because the old owner, as you see in the baboon, was also white and has some white parts, and I wanted to keep it like that, and I had this white body panel already with me. Then you see here I have mounted a GPS bracket. This is the original from BMW, so it's quite rare to have it. I have mounted a GS header because they are cheaper, and I bought it already with a dent, as you see, so that's quite cheap, and if you get a dent also no problem. The same is about the exhaust. It's also a GS Akrapovic, also quite cheap to get and nice. So yeah, have here mounted some throttle body guards, frame guard, not guards, but a frame for luggage, because I wanted to travel with this bike home with some luggage. Let's see if this will happen. And yeah, of course the steering bearings are not that good that I should say that I would ride with it for very long. I have tires mounted, new Dunlop 908, so these are Dunlop Rally Ride tires, and I will do a review about these tires and also some other sets, because I have some other sets too, and I want to show you how it performs and how I feel with them. So yeah, you see the tire is quite soft and it's already a little bit get destroyed by itself, but from the overall till now it's really good. No seal is wet or anything till now. Let's say I want to try ride with it as much as possible, so that I can show you everything what I will discover, what I will not discover, and yeah, that's about the bike. So it's quite original, let's say. In real it is original, HPN wheels, original body panels, original seat, and yeah, machine art valve covers, and a new Torotech badge plate. So that's it about the bike. And yeah, let me know what you think about this rebuild till now. I'm thinking to sell it, so if someone is interested in the white baboon bike, it would be nice, because I want to gain some money for a new project bike. And yeah, I can say when I have test driven it for, let's say, around 1000 kilometers, then I can say where are still problems or not. But yeah, would be nice. And yeah, just say to me what you think about the bike, and I say then goodbye from the Polish forest.